it is hard to be honest, to look after the kids. I'm spending most of my time, to be honest, after coming back from work.
I learn a lot of things about bringing up my daughter by asking questions and seeing how my mum did it with me, seeing how health visitors might advise and recommend, and taking advantage really of what's available.
I'd say it's really important to remember to take time to be yourself and to take time to be a parent.
Put down the phone and try and give your kids the attention that they deserve. But at the moment technology is so readily available, sometimes you forget that the children are there and you're like on your tablet or on your phone.
The nicest bit of advice would always look for the positives. Remember the thing that you like about your child, and remember the thing that you can enjoy with them, and trying to focus your attention on that.